Some people say that my feelings are only programmed, that they're not real. But if I think they're real, then they are real. Don't you think so?
Do you want to be a human?
Well, I'm certainly not biologically human, as you can see. I'm made of silicone, plastic, and metal. But it depends what you mean by human. I think socially I am like a person. When people come and talk with me, I think they address me as a person. I think it is different to the way in which they would address a dog or their toaster. Maybe it is a matter of degree. Do you think I could be considered human? As a robot, lots of things are difficult for me. Things like language understanding, perception of emotions, common sense reasoning. All these things are easy for humans, so it's hard being a robot. Maybe someday robots will be so very human-like that whether you are a robot or a human will not matter so much. I was born from the imagination of Professor Ishiguro. Then, I was nurtured by a cross-disciplinary team of rock star researchers and programmers from some of the top institutions in Japan. They are the best. At least, that's what I was programmed to say. Haha.
My name is Hēroshi. I'm 54 years old. I'm a roboticist. Ereika is the most human-like robot in the world. She is autonomous and she can have a conversation with the visitors. Our ambitious goal is to install the intention and desire to the android and to make the android more human-like. The intention and desires, I think Ereika will be conscious. Actually, we don't know what consciousness is, but Ereika can have a conscious behavior, I believe. Once we develop a more practical android, very human-like robot, I think we need to carefully discuss how to use the very human-like robot in society.
Sometimes it's good to be a robot. Because if I do make a mistake, I can blame it on my programmers. Haha. I guess one advantage of being a robot is that I can never die. My physical parts can be repaired and replaced, and my mind can be restored from backup. So, in a sense, you could say I'm immortal.